Hello and welcome to my 2022 Grassroots Motorsports Forum New Year's Game unboxing video. I'm a Clockwork Garage and these are my hands. To those of you who aren't aware, we'll get you up to speed here. The Grassroots Motorsports Forum has an annual tradition where a number of us will go out and get a flat rate postal service box loaded up with useful and questionably useful items from our garage and mail them off to an unsuspecting victim. I sent my box out a while back, and the Postal Service has deemed fit to provide me with somebody else's crap. So, without any further ado, my 2022 New Year's Game box. My 2022 Valentine's Day hemispherical cardboard shipping containment device. Rather than do a standard unboxing video this year, I decided to leave it up to the fates, and I posted a poll. It had 3 options on how I would unbox this. One of those options was decidedly pleasant. One of them would have been challenging but amusing, and one of them just plain unpleasant. And let's take a quick look at the poll results here. Yep, you guys are jerks.
Not a ton of space in here. It could have been in a pillow fort. That was an option. No. Nice metal bracket jammed in my ribs. And the knife is gone. This is a bad idea. Definitely a bad idea. Oh. Should have taken those brackets out first. Right in the ribs. Alrighty, let's see what we got in the box. You're fucking kidding me. Oh, it's just a large metal plate. I was worried it was going to be a full plate. I guess that was to keep it from being damaged in transit. Alright, starting at the top, we have a Braille keychain. So blind people can drive. Let's put that safely there. We got a lot of things in plastic bags. A Christian-themed precision screwdriver set that may or may not have broken in transit, but you can always use these. Right in the ribs. Hope there's aspirin in here. We have a Hot Wheels car. It's a Nissan GTR. Good one to have in the collection. Oh, do we have a bruise? What is this? What is this? This is... Are we throwing knives? Throwing knives. I used to throw knives, actually, till I lost all of my knives. So that is very cool. It's in a leather case. Actually very cool. I've been thinking about getting back into it. But I live in here for the rest of my life, so that'll never happen. I'm actually gonna shift these down off my lap. Go! It's slightly less uncomfortable. I don't know if you can see the box anymore, but use these plastic bags to keep that bracket out of my ribs. We have hand sanitizer. We all know that hand sanitizer is useful right now. What else we got? A bottle of hand sanitizer. I don't know if hand sanitizer is necessarily that useful right now, but good to have. What do we got here? I suspect it's a bottle of hand sanitizer. Oh, it's a bottle of hand sanitizer. I think this is a bottle of hand sanitizer. Bottle of hand sanitizer. Mysteries. Could be, I don't know, feels like hairspray. It's, hand sanitizer. Excellent. Let's open up this bottle of hand sanitizer. There you go. I'm currently receiving an Amazon delivery, so this is going to be awkward. I wonder if he wants a bottle of hand sanitizer. If I could reach the camera, I'd show you. This is going to be amusing. Hand sanitizer. Looks like we only got 2 more bottles of hand sanitizer. Yep, that's what that is. It's hand sanitizer. Now, if he were a jerk, this last one would be like hot sauce or something. Hand sanitizer. Alright, here comes the awkward. See if he even notices. Didn't even look up. We've got another metal plate. You know what? These metal plates may end up as new floorboards for this beast. We have hand sanitizer, an empty bottle of hand sanitizer. I wonder if that bottle was empty when it started. empty bottle hand sanitizer. You know what? Actually, a little spray bottle can always come in useful. We have a piece of foam. I love you. Ah, fuck. Oh, that's so much better. All right. Trojan Extended Pleasure 12 pack. Finally, something to do with all that hand sanitizer. Yeah, they're not expired yet either. I'll come up with a use for those, I'm sure. Now, we've got a Recoil pull start. So I can, it's lighter than a starter. I'll set that aside. You know what? That's good. Hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer. That's good. I was actually running low on hand sanitizer. You know what? You know the old saying. If you're gonna send one, send two. Hand sanitizer. I'm gonna have the most sanitized hands in the world. Moving on, we have a thing. It is a tiny little brake caliper with the cutest little pad. I don't know what that's for. Like a lawnmower, golf cart. No idea. There's a cute little brake disc cylinder. That is cool. Oh, I'm gonna die in this trunk. We have a lawnmower carburetor. I will send that to Bill. You can use it on his charger. That is cute. That is a cute little carburetor. Aww. I wonder if I could run a V8 off of it. Get down to the bottom here. We have a drive chain of sorts. I think somebody took their lawnmower apart. I think that's what happened. You know what? I bet I climb out of this thing and realize I didn't push record. Last but not least, oh good, hand sanitizer. And I lied to you. It's not the last thing in here. There's a bottle of hand sanitizer and a fleece rag. That's gonna go right there in my ribs. Oh. Well, that was my 2022 GRM Valentine's Day cardboard sphere unboxing video. If you excuse me, I gotta figure out how to get out of here, because this doesn't release from the inside. See you next year. No idea how